Want to make something in your craft room but don't know where to begin? Have you been admiring crafting supplies from afar but have no idea how to use them? Well, we have some great news for you. Our Crafting 101 class series is now completely free. Curated for those who are just starting paper crafting, this class series will provide all the basics any newbie should know when getting started. Take advantage of our special mega bundle, which features all of our popular Crafting 101 classes, so you can add them all to your paper crafting resources for quick reference whenever you need them. Each of the classes is set for independent learning. Sign up for the class and enjoy the lesson at your convenience. You can enjoy lifetime access to all of the class materials after signing up for each class, and enjoy exclusive class content whenever, wherever, and however many times you like. Our exclusive projects come with inspiration-filled, high-quality project photos and step-by-step video tutorials. This series is a crafter's heaven. What are you waiting for? Enroll now and start crafting.